Hello everyone, today we will discuss how to make recipe in KINCO DTOOLS HMI and what is a recipe and how we can make our recipe and all the tables we will discuss and we will see now for our project. Now we will make one new because already I make, but I want to make clearly one by one, and we will see how many problems we have and how we cure that problems. I will make a new project. This is the first lesson about the recipe, and I will make name is first. So okay, just my HMI is G121E. This is my HMI model, and next I will connect my PLC. My PLC I can use Mitsubishi FX3U. I will add, and it's okay here. This is finished. Now I can go and make one program here. First, I will go to user menu, and then we will search recipe. What we have here. First is recipe area. This is the recipe area view, and I just want to search this recipe area list. Yes, this is another one, recipe area list, this one. This is the first things in the recipe. First we need to make area, and we need to mix all the parameters items. After we can review, and after we can read right to that recipe base database. And what is a recipe? First recipe, this is some data, so we will use in different value in one project. For example, I have some products for products 1, product 2, product 3. In product 1, my pressure is one value, temperature one value, and speed more, maybe the motor speed. This is the product 1, speed, pressure, and temperature. And if I change the product 2, this value maybe is changing. So I have another temperature, I have another pressure, I have another speed. Also second one, also like this, maybe you have 10 or more than 10 parameters when you are running your process. And for this we can use the recipe, and recipe is very useful in this case, because if you're using some memories like PLC memory or HMI memories for random, so that one is very big, and also maybe it's not enough for your work and for your process, and also maybe the speed is very slow, but recipe speed is very good. First we need to make recipe area. What is a recipe area? And we will discuss how many things we have here. Recipe area, we have recipe view, we have, and recipe address. All we will discuss one by one. So first thing is recipe area. What is a recipe area list? For the starting, we need to make our recipe. So how many items we have, and what we have here. This is the first thing. So, and what you make in your recipe, this is important here. Okay, I will go to project database, and we will find here recipe area list. This is our list. So first we need to add, because now we don't have any recipes. This is our table, data items table. So all recipe making you can see here. Okay, what we have, we can go to manual and check one by one. First thing is recipe name. What is your recipe name? So I can write here first dash recipe dash. Okay, this is a name because all data we will read right by this name. This name also is important here because after you need to know which name you are using. Maybe you have a lot of the recipes and like this you don't confuse. Second one is recipe count and recipe items. What is this one? Recipe count, how many parameters you have in your recipe. For example, I have 10 products, so my recipe count I need to make 10 because my product is 10, but how many items I have there, this is my parameters. For example, I can make 10. This is a maximum parameters can I make, so you can maybe you can more than 10 counts. And recipe items count is how many parameter we have. For example, I have first I have a pressure, second I have temperature, third I have speed, and after maybe what I say about the recipe in my practice, I need to is better use your name in the last of the recipe, because after when you make increase the data, so your data lenses after don't confusing with another one. And I can make now 3 parameters, 3 items. Okay, now you can see here item is opening for me. So first item I can say ratio, and second item I can say temperature. So just small names, okay, not too much. And third one I can say speed, and fourth I need add another one. Okay, you can write here product. This is our products here. This data address, after we will see what is this. This I don't want to confuse. Just only we will make this, and after we see what is happening here. This is my recipe, small recipe. Okay, I make this is my recipe. Okay, I can go to PLC, or maybe in functions we have, yes, in function. Here is recipe area view. This is only area view. That one was area list. I can add here. Maybe you need or you don't need. This is belong to you. I can go to library, or maybe current recipe. I don't only have one current recipe here. No problem here. Okay, I add now my recipe list. I add to recipe area view, and I just only want to view this one. Okay, and here. So what I just only want show you here. I can go tools and first compile, not downloading to HMI. I can go offline and show you what is the item and what is the count. Tools and offline simulation here. Okay, now you can see from 0 to 9, so this means 10 product we have, and we have now 1, 2, 3, 4 items. What is this is means? So I have 10 count products, and I have 4 items. This is this value. So what you want in the recipe. So products, now you can see here I just only have value here. So now I need to make this correctly. Okay, I will go and again I